Oh my God. What on earth are you doing?
Just deflating some rafts in the rain.
Wow, you're committed.
Well,
I would have been like, kids, we lost Olivia.
I think I got it.
Just kidding. What a good dad. What you doing? You have no words?
No, it's raining.
It's pouring
What
and
it looks like whenever you have to.
it's pouring and it's gonna pour up until we pull out of here.
Yeah.
So this is our reality right now.
All right.
Not the best of
It's kind of
circumstances
sprinkly.
to set up or take down when it's raining. But because everything's gonna be wet and when we pull in the slides it's gonna be wet and everything's gonna be just wet.
Just wet.
Yep.
Yep, so I've almost got everything out here done. And then we will be loading up to leave.
What broke?
Yeah, so our two-way broke as well. Just snapped off.
That's a new
Yeah, it's nice.
kind that you just bought.
Yeah, so I'll probably go back to the brass so it doesn't break.
What are you munchkins doing? Huh?
I'm hungry.
Are you just watching? You're hungry?
Yes, and I haven't ate yet.
Okay.
Mom, I'm trying to wait.
Oh my gosh, do I just not feed you? Are you mistreated?
You do feed me, I just haven't ate today.
Oh, okay. I'll make you some food right now. So I have my work cut out for me in here. Oh, Bubba eat. Bubba, what'd you have for breakfast? A nutritious Pop-Tart? Okay. Hi.
Okay. All right, so we are all packed up, getting out of Fayetteville, Arkansas, heading east to northeast Mississippi, but we have a overnight in West Memphis, Arkansas. It's about a 4.5 hour drive today, so not too bad. And then tomorrow's only 2, so we're gonna break it up because it's much easier for us.
I swear it was recording.
Well, I don't know. All right, so we got all situated.
Mom, I just realized I never gave your sweatshirt back.
Oh, there you go.
Sorry. Say it again.
Bye, Playground. Bye, Pool.
Say bye, Hog Valley.
Bye, Hog Valley.
Today has been an awesome travel day. We've been in the car for about 5 hours now, and we are almost to our overnight stop in, what is it?
West Memphis.
West Memphis, Arkansas. It's called Tom Sawyer RV Park. So we'll show you what that's like. I think we've stayed here before. It's a pretty nice little overnight place. Huh? So anyways, yes, we're almost there, and right now the rain is holding off, so I'm hoping it'll hold off while we set up, because it sucks to set up and take down in the rain. So hopefully it'll hold off for us.
So we made it to our overnight, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
Yeah, so we actually tried to, we were gonna just leave it on the truck, but we've been having problems with our jacks lately, and our middle ones wouldn't come down, and I got that fixed, but now I'm having a left front jack problem. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to even raise it up, because it wasn't budging. But we're here. We're gonna just chill out for the night. We don't have to leave till noon tomorrow because we only have about a 2-hour drive. And we'll be there for a week, so yeah.
Okay, that wraps up our overnight stay here in West Memphis, Arkansas, Tom Sawyer RV Park. We've been having some issues lately with our jacks. They've been giving us some problems, so we were a little nervous about today and being able to just get hooked back up on the truck. The left front jack wasn't even moving. So, I don't know, we figured it out. It's working right now. So hopefully a reset, when you retract all, it's supposed to kind of reset it. So we're hoping that works, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see when we get there if they all come down the way they're supposed to. So, but anyways, so we only have a couple hours today to get to Mississippi, Northeast Mississippi, where we're going to the state park there. So hopefully we have good, safe travels and get there quickly with no issues. We just stopped at a Love's in Walnut, Mississippi. We still have about an hour to our destination, give or take. We are all stretching our legs and pottying, and we might go over to this Jack's. Never eaten at a Jack's before. And maybe grab a little bit of food. We don't typically do that, but we have some time to kill because we can't check into our next place technically until 4. We're gonna try to sneak in a little bit earlier if we can. So we've got some time to kill, so we might go over there and just grab some quick lunch. Girl.
Hello, hello.
Hi guys. We're just about to get back on the road. Dad is walking the dog right now. Heading back right now. So, they're getting Piper.
Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Okay. Yeah, good job. Okay, go slow, slow. Now you can pull forward and try to get a little bit further to this left side. Okay, we are here. We are trying to get set up, and we are praying that our jacks will actually auto level this time because they have been messing up lately. We're hoping that we reset the system and that it will work. So we'll see. We're on a pretty steep grade, so the front's gonna have to come way down and the back's gonna have to go way up. So we'll see if we can get this figured out. Okay, well literally it went red as I was speaking. So we got tires off the ground over here. Barely. So if he can manually drop them from here and see if we can get somewhat level, then we'll just have to be happy with it, I guess. Surprise you pay for state parks and unlevel sites. So this is our current situation. Our front left jack is like, I don't freaking know what's wrong with it. So
I don't think it's the
Austin.
motor.
took the motor off,
It's got to be internal.
but it's like, oh, we can't figure it out. I don't know. This sucks. Something just clicked. It's freaking hot. We've been going out this for a while now. The kids are being troopers. They're still in the truck playing video games. It just sucks. Okay. 6 hours later. No, I'm just kidding. It has been probably a couple hours though.
Yeah. So we did some troubleshooting on the jacks. The front left jack won't come up and down, so I actually took the motors off and switched them to the other side just to see if it would work, and it did. So it's actually the landing leg itself. There's something in there that came loose.
That's what we think.
So I'm gonna have to order new ones. I think they're 500 and something bucks online, but they can get here within the week, which is great.
Because we're supposed to leave on a week from today,
Yeah.
Sunday. Austin actually leaves tomorrow for work and won't be back until Wednesday.
Yep.
So he'll have Thursday, Friday, Saturday to try and get this fixed before, because as of right now, it won't even go up. So we can't even rehitch. Like
it
we
won't-
can't
it won't
even
move.
get back on the truck. It won't move at all. So hopefully this does it and we can get it fixed.
They
and
should.
be able to get back on the road
Troubleshooting.
in a week.
Troubleshooting's
So
a great thing.
it'll be interesting, but we'll try to show you all of it, and hopefully that fixes the problem
Hopefully.
in case this happens to anyone else,
Yeah,
because
not fun.
this sucks. But on a positive note, we are here at JP Coleman State Park in Luca, Mississippi, and it is gorgeous. I can't wait to explore our spot. Our spot's pretty great. And that is the river right out there. And then the other side, I think, is a lake. So it's really beautiful here. We just have this little setback. So we've never been this unlevel before. It's a little weird feeling on the inside. And I'm like, man, we're not gonna end up in this big, huge ditch back there, are we? But cheers, babe. These beers are well deserved today.
Yeah. It's been some rough stuff with the
It
jack.
has, like, our travel days and everything have gone great. It's
Arlo.
just the jacks and hitching. It's just been
Hey,
kind of a
buddy.
nightmare lately. So hopefully this fixes it and we can get good. But for now, there's nothing else we can do right now. So we're gonna just enjoy the evening and we'll fix it when we fix it.